Alright guys, welcome back. I got another clip here of unboxing some demoed parts. Alright, to start off, we got Siemens FP11 smoke detectors. Same as always, I'll fast forward when I get duplicates, and then I'll just list off the new ones. These are covers for duct detectors, the Siemens AD2-P, which looks like the bottoms aren't here, the housings. These are the boards that go in the duct detector. Now for some monitoring modules, this is Siemens Tri-R. And then these are the covers that go along with it. This one is a Siemens Tri-D. These most likely not going to keep and resell. These are resistors on the new equipment for the newer monitoring modules. There's some remote alarm lamps. These are iLED-HC. Similar alarm lamp, RLI-1. Got some pull stations here, similar lot. These are the new boxes, but the old monitoring modules. This is an older version of the Tri-S. Pretty dirty plate. I'm going to toss that one. For the pull stations, looks like these are MSI 10B, 20B. And these are addressable, but can be converted to conventional. Two different brandings here. Siemens on the top, Siemens on the bottom, and then those other Cerberus Powertronics on the bottom. This is a newer Tri-S. Here's actually a base to a DB11. I'm sorry, to a FP11. It is the DB11. This looks like an older version of a Tri-R. There's a dual action. Should be just the same MSI 1020B. These are pretty dirty. The last box. Spectronics WST24 strobe. Let's find the covers. This is the E50 24 MCW speaker strobe. Here's an RSS 2415. That means 15 candela. This one is a ZRMC R for red. That's just a strobe. Some E70 speaker strobes. I don't have the plates for these, so these will not be listed yet. An E90 speaker. If you guys have been following along, I've got tons of those. So this one is the rebranded Siemens SEMC speaker strobe. This is the haul for today. These are all going to be listed. And we have a Discord server. The description has the link. So thanks for watching.